Ever wondered what happens if you sneeze in zero gravity? Let me tell you, it's not what you expect. In space, without gravity, sneezing is a whole new experience. There's no air to carry particles, so the mucus and droplets just float in front of you. Astronauts have to be careful. Imagine sneezing into your helmet during a spacewalk. That would be messy and distracting. Thankfully, spacesuits are designed to handle accidents. But sneezing inside the space station? It's like launching your own mini storm of floating particles. So, sneezing in space isn't just gross, it's a zero-gravity challenge. What other strange space facts would you like to know? Drop your questions below.